Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this section, I'm going to show us how to connect our dataset to Power BI. First, you open your Power BI application, Power BI desktop application. Then, this is the file we're going to work on, sample superstore. So we'll be connecting this sample superstore, we'll be connecting this file to our Power BI. So once the Power BI open, so we have some source in which you can connect your data from. So I'm going to click on the blank report. So from this blank report, we have import data from Excel, import data from SQL Server. So we can choose import from Excel from this part. You can also use from Excel workbook. So the file given to you is a CSV file. So we are going to be using text file, text slash CSV. If it's Excel workbook, you make use of Excel workbook. So the file sent to you, the file we are connecting is Excel CSV. So you click on CSV file, so you can locate the sample superstore then open, which why it connects. So this is the table, this is the table, then you load it. That's just a simple way on how to connect your table to Power BI. If you like this video, subscribe